I can't stress enough that innovation isn't limited to technology. It's also processes and new ways of reciprocal learning and knowledge sharing. True innovation is only possible when everybody has opportunities to make a difference. My name is Fred Meyer, RRC Polytechnics President and CEO. RRC Polytech operates an award-winning applied research program that has been supporting industry to create solutions to their greatest needs for close to 20 years. We accomplish that by providing access to the talent of our students, our faculty, and our research spaces to allow industry to innovate and remain competitive, not only locally, but globally as well. In 2021, more than 500 students from over 60 programs were involved in applied research projects spanning sectors from aerospace to early childhood education. And through our new strategic plan, In Front of What's Ahead, we want to expand that. We work with industry and employers. They're part of our program advisory committees, and we listen to them and create the right pathways to make it easier to work with us. And we're expanding on all of that as part of our new strategic plan. Beyond supporting industry, our research and applied research is evolving and is also designed to look at important impacts and outcomes for our community. An important example of that is our highly regarded science of early childhood development. Used in more than 43 countries, it's having an important impact on the development of children in their early learning years. Partnering with post-secondary institutions in Manitoba, such as the University College of the North, we're supporting northern and remote communities with this important research to help strengthen early learning childcare programs. Commitment to expanding applied research and work-integrated learning across all of our programs means as we develop our workforce, they aren't only emerging here with the skills and knowledge, but they reflect the diversity of our communities and enrich our workplaces as well.